Hi everyone, Armine Bazikyan here. Today I wanted to talk to you about how you transfer a car of somebody that has passed on to their loved ones. I mean, when somebody dies, what happens to their car? How do you get the title transferred? Believe it or not, the Department of Motor Vehicles has made it a very easy process. So with respect to your vehicles, the state of California makes it relatively easy to handle transfer of the car to your loved ones after your death, which is good news in light of all the other restrictions that they put in place with respect to other assets. So mainly what the DMV does is they have two roads that you could take depending on if the person's estate is being probated or not. So if your loved one's estate is being probated, then you will actually need to submit proof of authority to act for the individual's estate, such as your letters of administration, your court order, whatnot. So you'll submit the title to the car along with your authority, along with an odometer disclosure statement, and a statement of facts form, which is form 256. So you'll submit all those documentations and the DMV will process your request and transfer title to the name of the new owner. Now, if you are involved in an estate that's not being probated, one that is maybe undergoing a trust administration, or simply an individual who doesn't have assets and only had a car and some bank accounts, let's say, somebody who doesn't have a lot of wealth, well, the vehicle still needs to be transferred. You would still go through the DMV. You would fill out the requisite affidavit of transfer form, along with, some other forms that you may need to fill out, but for the most part it's an affidavit that you fill out. You have to have authority to be the one filling out the form, so you need to either be a beneficiary, the trustee for their estate, you need to be the person that's going to actually receive the property, so that's the beneficiary, the conservator of the estate. So it just depends on what role you play, but only a certain type of role can complete the form and actually swear under this affidavit to complete this transfer. So that's the second way of doing it through the Department of Motor Vehicles, but both ways are relatively easy to do. You could always transfer title into the name of the trust, but that is very rarely done. Motor vehicles are something that are kind of done outside of a trust, and the state of California has made it relatively easy, so it's not something to be too concerned about. If you have questions, go ahead and email me or contact me. Otherwise, feel free to share this video with your friends and family. If you have suggestions about videos that you'd like to see me cover or topics you'd like to learn more about, feel free to email me or comment below, and I would love to take that into consideration for my next video. Again, if you'd like more information or links to the actual DMV forms, there's a link below that you can click on and you can read more detailed information about this process and have access to all of the links and take advantage of those should you be in that situation. Have a great day.